In today's video, I'm going to compare Zapier and Make to help you decide which automation platform is better for your needs. We'll look at ease of use, workflow building, integrations, pricing, and who each platform is best for. By the end, you'll know exactly which one makes the most sense for you. If this comparison helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more software tutorials just like this. Let's start with Zapier. Zapier is one of the easiest no-code automation platforms available, and that is a huge reason so many beginners start there. It connects with thousands of apps, which means you can usually connect the tools you already use without a lot of setup. The interface is clean, simple, and designed to help you create automations called zaps in just a few minutes. That makes it especially appealing if you want something that feels straightforward right away. Zapier also includes helpful features like AI-powered workflow creation, multi-step automations, filters, schedules, and built-in formatting tools. So if your goal is to save time on simple tasks, move data between apps, or automate repeat actions without a steep learning curve, Zapier is very beginner-friendly. It's a strong choice for small business owners, marketers, solo creators, and anyone who wants to get started quickly without feeling overwhelmed. Now let's look at Make. Make takes a different approach. Instead of a simple linear builder, Make gives you a visual drag and drop workflow editor that offers much more control over how your automations work. This is where Make starts to stand out for users who want to build more advanced systems. You can create complex scenarios with multiple paths, routers, filters, data transformations, and error handling all inside one workflow. Even though Make may have fewer integrations than Zapier overall, it still supports thousands of popular apps, and for many users, that is more than enough. The big advantage is flexibility. If you want to build more sophisticated automations, connect multiple conditions, or handle different outcomes inside a single scenario, Make gives you that extra power. Because of that, it's especially popular with power users, agencies, operations teams, and businesses that build more advanced automation setups. So which one is better? The answer depends on what you need. If you want the easiest setup, the largest app library, and fast no-code automations, Zapier is the better choice. It's the platform that usually makes the most sense if you're new to automation or if you want something that just works with minimal setup. If, on the other hand, you need advanced workflow logic, visual automation, greater flexibility, and better value for complex tasks, Make is often the better option. It's built for people who want more control and don't mind spending a little more time learning how the system works. Once you understand it, Make can be incredibly powerful. So the simplest way to think about it is this. Zapier wins for simplicity and beginners, while Make wins for advanced automation and value. If you're just getting started, I'd say choose Zapier. If you're ready to build more powerful workflows and you want deeper control over how everything runs, Make is the platform to go with. If this comparison helped you decide, drop a comment and let me know which one you're choosing. And if you want more clear software comparisons and tutorials like this, give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.